Sanibonani, igama lami uThandi uMathabethe wakwaNgqongo. We are here from Vopec at Lamontville at Durban. We are here to encourage families asemalokishini to actually do ingadi encane behind emagcekeni abo. So we have partnered with Madam Clark as the partner today, also as trainer, and we have bought equipment for the families. So it's going to be a good day. Vopec, Madam Clark, in the community as Lamonti, we're going to be encouraging the families so that we fight indaba yehunger. We don't buy everything, but we do our vegetables in our backyards, in our little gardens. That's what we're doing today.
Hi, my name is Dobego Mafu, the founder of Madame Clark-Salot. So today we've been invited by Dr. Thandi Ngongo to partner with her as well as Vopec to give away 10 packs to needy families, as well as train them regarding growing their own organic produce. As you know, we're the home of organic foods where nature leads. That's what we're doing today.
Madam Environmental and Sustainability Specialist for Vopec South Africa, which is a petrochemical company based at the Port of Durban. So today, we're here to commemorate a One Day, One Family initiative done by Vopec and the team, and also Umphakathi waseMlamonti. So today we have targeted 10 families where sizofundisa ukutshala in conjunction with the company called Madame Clark-Salot. So and also the sustainable practices about farming and also the benefits about farming. So today it's a joint venture of something sustainable for Umphakathi and also giving back to the community, a disadvantaged community in that area, which is Lamontville. So today is all about that, with the common goal of doing the most for the people, for disadvantaged people also. So seeing that inside the Lamontville.